Pulubinak, and welcome back. First of all, let me tell you, this is the first team ever that has come to present the Tatau and has returned to come and do the Sew again. And I hope that all other teams that will leave Fiji shores to represent Fiji, they will do the same. What you just did today will give this office the confidence, also the government, because they contributed and funded part of your journey to represent the country. And coming back here, the government is so humble for you to do this. You have also etched a record, of what you have done. Winning is not about everything. It's about participating. And you're taking Fiji there. I know you have done well. And you have triumphed in all the sports that you participated in. The first thing is that your personal participation. Something, like I said before, something you never dreamed, something that you were passionate about, something that you chose to do in your life to represent Fiji. And that is just the beginning of what's to come in the next few years. And I thank the management, Saleh, Adiko Albert, and the chairman, thank you for leading the team, coming back and showing our young team Fiji, this is how it should be. This is how it should have been in the previous years. But today, you're the first one. And the ADC and the madam, the official secretary and the Matimno, we were all just saying this morning that you are the first one to do this, to come back, to come and do your tatau and come back. It's like you're coming home. There may be, if you go, when you live here today, you live with a free will, you'll feel good. Because you know how we are like. And that's the fact with us Fijians. You go, you come back, they start working on Facebook. No, you guys didn't do that, but leave that here. This is the place where you come here, go home free, and go and do what you want to do, But I'm really happy, I'm so thankful, I'm humbled to have you here today. Also, you have just achieved the first hurdle, I would say, and there's many more to come. I'll be keeping my ears on the ground, and by doing some follow-up, I'll be reading on the papers and whatever I can see to know where you are. And I hope if I meet you in town, at least come and tell me how far, what you're doing, If you're in school, if you're going back to university, go and pursue what's your dream, If you are going back to work, go and share that experience, the experience that you did, and try to make an impact in your work career, in your workplace. Also, go and tell stories to your family, how proud you were when you were there wearing that Fiji jersey and running onto the field, how proud it made you feel, Even though you may have won or you did get placing or what, you represented Fiji. Don't worry about what they say. Just go home to your parents, thank them. Thank them for all the support they've given you. This is it. Fiji knows you today. That's is a Fiji representative in sports for Team Fiji. And that's an achievement. So out of the hundreds of athletes out there, you're the one chosen. But, you have raised the bar, and I'm listening to this, I've been reading all the secondary schools. You have competitors out there. Try and be sure to keep your place in the next few years. So I'll be expecting to see you here in the next phase, looking fit. I know everybody's looking tired. I can see from your faces, and everybody's eager to go home. And I welcome you back on behalf of your big family here. I see all the posts here. Your big family. I also welcome those from Lomaiviti. Welcome back. Now you're part of the household now, and I know you'll go home today. You'll go proud. send our best regards and our pinakamakaliw to your families. Send them our appreciation and tell them that, the President's office thanks you for what you have did to me to be at this stage. With those few words, pinakamakaliw and kalungan tati ko Team Fiji. Naka.